Hai, Assalamualaikum. Ini adalah my group members. Muhammad Azaim bin Syarizan, 23 DLS 21F 2034. Fazrul Fahmi bin Fakhrul Kamal, 23 DLS 21F 2032. Nekha, anak perempuan Surendran Kumar, 23 DLS 21F 2004. Dan Shankari, anak perempuan Shanmugan, 23 DLS 21F 2038. The table of content is: first, introduction; second, objective of collaboration and merging trend; third, advantage and disadvantage; fourth, effect of collaboration and merging trend; fifth, conclusion.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azaim bin Syarizan. My metric number is 23 DLS 21F 2034. I will explain about definition of collaboration and merging trend. In business, it means the best way to define collaboration would to be outlined it as to be process of two or more people or organization working together to complete a task for achieve one goals. But today, collaboration means in logistics that competition works together through a neutral third party so that the data and confidential information is segregated. This is broad perspective because you can have a broad collaboration between different supplier delivery their product into one buyer or buyers who have a different supplier and bring them in one truck, aircraft and a ship. A merger is an emerging is two or more company decide to become one to find benefit in their own way. It happens when a company finds benefit in combining business operation with another company in a way that will contribute to increase shareholder value. Similar in many ways to an execution, which is why the two actions are so often grouped together as mergers and acquisition (M&A). So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, now we are going to see about objective of collaboration and making trends. To make positive changes and improve their logistics that give benefits to all groups involved in the collaboration. The second objective is to increase responsiveness and reduce the inventory cost in collaboration either through information resources to sharing. Aim is to reduce cost executive the logistic activities. The third objective is define business standards so as to improve interoperability of their system. Thank you.
Selamat sejahtera. My name is Neha Surendran Kumar. My metric number is 23 DLS 21F 2004. Today I'm going to present about advantages and disadvantages of supply chain collaboration. their relationship for themselves, which collaboration allows partners. This two-way partnership, it improves the working way with suppliers. Number two, organizational silos. It's created by unintegrated process systems, which is a collaboration software designed to fill gaps, close silos, and collaborate with the supply chain network. In this process, to create the share data and coordinate response. And the last one is outdated system. Outdated systems meaning like supply chains operate on manual or ERP systems which are lack of time, information sharing, communication, and collaboration, making it difficult to work with suppliers. Example, some companies will be unable to communicate with suppliers through the level of agreements and price negotiation. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Fazul Fahmi bin Fakum Muzammar. My number metric is 23DLS21F2032. So I will present effect of collaboration and marketing trends. They have 3 points. The first point is collaboration can apply a long-term business contract and the exchange of demand and capacity information, supply chain management. That used to be about getting the right product to the right customer at the right time. However, today is all about delivering on that promise with the right information. This includes data about where product materials come from, how it's made, and how it's delivered. By sharing the information, retailers enable customers to recognize which products are more environmentally friendly and socially conscious. The second point is requires low commitment. An example of such collaboration could be web-based platform inviting enterprise to share their transportation needs so as to find generators that will reduce their transportation costs. The last point is can bring together two or more entities. For example, a number of British clothing retailers have been utilizing this approach, moving from traditional ethical audit program to employing dedicated teams that permanently develop and manage supply outreach of collaboration programs. More and more organizations are embarking on collaborative sustainability initiative to reduce the carbon footprint and energy consumption of their supply chain infrastructure, and supply that are able to easily respond to their customer needs for this information are becoming supplies of choice. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, collaboration and merging trend are one of the methods that can be used to achieve positive change for logistics, increase responsiveness and inherent and integrating sustainability. Third is building trust. It's creating a culture of open communication where it is encouraged to share ideas and thought without the fear of negative judgment or skepticism is the key to developing positive team collaboration. Fourth, the group diversity. By the group diversity, we are not simply referring to demographic diversity, gender, age, and ethnicity. Enough that should not be disregarded or equal importance. Diversity within the organization in terms of knowledge, experience, and skill. Experiments at the University Michigan found that When challenged with a difficult problem, groups composed of highly adept members perform worse than groups whose members had a varying level of skill and knowledge. The point here is, when you have a team, they all think the same, share the same beliefs, have similar training and experience, or etc. It can become a challenge for them to think outside the bubble of their world and really explore new creativity ways of doing things. That's all from me and my teams. Thank you.